We'll guide you through how to navigate ClickUp demo like a pro. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ClickUp website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your command center where you can see all your tasks, projects, and team activity at a glance. Look to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Spaces to organize your projects. Each space can contain multiple folders and lists to help you categorize your work efficiently. For example, you can create a space for each department or project. Next, click on Tasks to dive into the details of your work. Here, you can create new tasks by clicking the Pause New Task button. Enter the task name, set due dates, assign team members, and add any necessary details. To view your tasks in different formats, click on the View drop-down menu. You can choose from List, Board, Calendar, or Gantt views, depending on what suits your workflow best. To collaborate with your team, use the Comments section within each task to communicate and tag team members. This keeps all relevant discussions in one place. If you want to track time spent on tasks, enable the time tracking feature by clicking on the clock icon within the task window. Finally, explore the Docs feature by clicking on the Docs icon in the sidebar. This is where you can create and store documents related to your projects, making it easy to keep everything centralized. Remember, ClickUp is highly customizable, so feel free to adjust the settings and layout to fit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.